How to fix faults reported after replacing the steering gear on a 2018 Maserati. Today, we'll use SmartLink C and SmartLink B to solve this problem.
Connect the diagnostic package to launch SmartLink B, and it will identify the vehicle model. Click Continue, and the original diagnostic equipment will perform a quick test on all control units of the vehicle. After the full vehicle scan is completed, enter the EPS system. Since the steering gear has been replaced, access the steering gear control unit. Once inside, you can first check the DTCs. If no matching has been done, two DTCs will appear, one for wing mismatch and the other for steering angle malfunction. This can be solved one by one through programming and matching. Now, we'll fully solve the problem, and you can see there are no longer any DTCs displayed.
For auto repair, trust launch SmartLink. Used by over 110,000 repair shops, with thousands of experts providing remote assistance, you will never have to worry about the difficult repair problems again. With Launch SmartLink, auto repair problems are easily solved.